Welcome back. Now the main function of OneDrive is obviously storage. And so that means that you can upload any file into your OneDrive. So for example, what we can do is we can create any new folder. We can then enter that folder. And we can upload files either by dragging and dropping or by using this upload menu item. While the file is uploading, OneDrive will give you a status update. You can follow that status by clicking on the actual upload. But once the file is available, then what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to determine how you're going to share the file. So for example, if you see the file is already private, what you'll want to do is you can click inside of this box, and then you can click the share link. You can give the link to someone specific by giving an email address, or you can send out the link as general. Now you'll want to make sure that you're changing this designation that will determine how the user can interact with the link. So if we click inside of here, we can determine that anyone with this link can edit. Or what we can do is we can disallow editing altogether. We can also then set a specific expiration date for the actual link. Once we've determined how we want the link to interact, we'll then click apply. And then we'll click this button that says copy link. We can then copy this link and then make it available to others and have it to be clickable. When the individual actually gets the link, in the case of this zip file, they can download all the files at once, or they can download them one at a time. What you can also do is to perform the same function with a specific folder. So for example, we can click inside of this link and we can share an entire folder and then determine the permissions from the dialog box that Microsoft Office 365 gives us. Also, OneDrive is entirely searchable. So for example, if we place our cursor inside of the search bar and we were to type in a search term, we can see all of the available files, and then we'll click see more results. And what you'll notice is that we've been given filters for those results. So for example, if what we want to do is we want to find only zip files that would pertain to what we're looking for, OneDrive will narrow those files down to the zip file. If we wanted to narrow it down to a particular Word file, we can do that, or any of the other designations that you have on this right side menu. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.